Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a platform where you can earn free $10 as a sign-up bonus. And once you start referring people, you're going to earn more. So the name of the platform is SuperEx, and this platform looks like Binance, and they are currently doing a giveaway. So they're giving out their coins to people. Just remember that when Binance came into existence in 2018, 2017, if I'm not mistaken, they started giving their coins, 200 or 100 Binance tokens, BNB, to people. And those people who had those tokens today are now millionaires. So don't joke with these opportunities, don't play with this opportunity. This is a big life changing opportunity. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Don't skip any part. If this is your first time of watching our videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more legit videos. Before I show you guys how you can be able to withdraw this $10 worth of BTC, I'll first of all show you how to create an account. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to create an account on the platform. Guys, here you can see the SuperEx dashboard, and once you're here, you have to first of all click on register. After clicking on register, you have to scroll down to where you see email address. So you have to enter your email address right here and your password to create an account on the SuperEx platform. After entering those informations, you have to click on I have read and agreed to SuperEx terms and service. Click on it and then click on register. Once you click on register, a new page will pop up where you need to enter your 6-digit confirmation code. So the code will be sent to your email address, and right here you can see my 6-digit code. After copying the code, you have to enter the code and then your account will be created automatically. So this is how to create an account. Now I'm going to log in and show you guys how you can earn more on this platform. As you can see right here, I have successfully logged into my account, and once you have logged into your account, you have to go to your profile and then click on rebate. After clicking on rebate, you have to give it some minutes to load. Here you can see invite friends, earn crypto together, enjoy up to 40% transaction rebate, referral rules. So here you can click on referral rules to read more about this. So all you need to do is to copy your referral link and go to your WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, and share these links. And once people sign up using your link, you're gonna earn free USDT or BTC on this platform. So this platform is actually giving these coins for free now. So make sure you use this opportunity to earn free of these coins, guys. So it's simple and easy to do this. And after earning your coins, you have to come to where you see click on airdrop base. After clicking on airdrop base, you have to give it some minutes to load. So before you withdraw from this platform, there are some tasks you need to complete before you can be able to withdraw from this platform. Here you can see tax center, great news. Let's win some free rewards and refer friends to enjoy more benefits. And down here you can see tax center, complete tax to win rewards, instant sign up for SuperEx. That, as you can see, is completed because we created an account. If you don't create an account, you won't receive the 10 ET, which is a coin, and it's worth $10. And here you can see follow us on Twitter. Once you follow them on Twitter, you're going to receive two of their coins, which worth $2. And you have to join their official Telegram group. Once you do that, you're going to also receive two of their coins. After that, you have to deposit on this platform. So once you deposit on this platform, you're going to receive 5 ET, which is their coins. And if you start to trade spot on this platform, you're going to receive 10 ET, which is $10. And once you immediately enter future transaction, you're going to receive 10 ET, which is their coins. Now, if you refer a friend, you're going to receive 10 ET. That means if you refer anybody to this platform, you're going to receive $10 for a sign up. And then when your friend trade on this platform, you're going to receive 10 ET. So here you can see different tasks you have to complete before you can be able to withdraw from this platform. And when you complete all these tasks, you're going to earn more of this cryptocurrency. So guys, this is how to earn free BTC online. Thanks for watching this video. In my next video, I'll make sure I put you guys through the step-and-step process to complete all the tasks on this platform. For now, this is all. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more legit videos.